Hi students, this is Mohammad Ashfaq. In this video, we will be learning about the difference between a strait as well as isthmus. And this topic is based on a geography subject. Let's get into the topic. So what is a strait? So by seeing the picture itself, you can understand this blue color represents water and this brown color represents landmass. And you can see that this small water channel or small water body that connects these two bigger water bodies, we can call this as a strait, or in other words, a small water body that divides two bigger landmass will also be known as a strait. And one good example that connects this strait is Park Strait. You may have heard about Park Strait. Yes, it is located near India and Sri Lanka. You can see here in this picture the Park Strait, and this is a narrow water channel that divides the two big landmass, India as well as Sri Lanka. And it also connects two bigger water bodies, Indian Ocean as well as Bay of Bengal. So this can be a very good example for the strait, and you can also find more straits throughout the world. Let's get into isthmus, which is exactly opposite to the strait. Here if you see a narrow landmass, you can see here the narrow landmass that connects two bigger landmass, or in other words, a narrow landmass that divides two bigger water bodies, we call that as isthmus. So in strait, it is a narrow water channel that connects two bigger water channels. In isthmus, a narrow landmass that connects two bigger landmass. And if you see an example for isthmus, a very good famous place, Panama Isthmus, that connects two big continents, North America as well as South America. And this Panama Canal or Panama Isthmus acts as a connection line between this Northern America as well as Southern America. And this also divides two bigger water bodies, which are nothing but Pacific Ocean as well as Atlantic Ocean. Hope you got an idea about strait as well as isthmus. Let's learn something new. And we were talking about Park Strait, and there was a project initiated by the Indian government to reduce the transportation distance as well as the time by making a travel path for the ships which are coming from the other parts of the world. And according to this program, the name of this program is Sethu Samudram Thittam, Sethu Samudram Plan, which helps mostly, if you see the sea route of the ships, it will cross the Sri Lankan country, then it will go to the Bay of Bengal water body. But if we implement this plan by making the ships to pass through this Park Strait, we can reduce nearly 400 nautical miles as well as around 36 hours of time, which helps in saving the petrol as well as reaching the destination as much as faster than earlier situation. But unfortunately, due to various reasons, this project was not brought into implementation. With this information, I would like to conclude this video. Thank you students. Let's meet with a new video in next class. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.